Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be making a mixed vegetable bhaji. So I just put some oil in, there's about 2-3 tablespoons maybe, you just gotta eyeball it. Some people like more oil, some like less. Okay, so we're going to add onions. Don't burn yourself. 2 onions there, 2 small onions. Just need to let this cook through and soften up a little bit. I always like to add my salt at this stage. We got some dirty bay leaves, chilies, some black pepper, some turmeric, and about half a teaspoon of chili flakes. And then we're just going to give it a stir. What happens is, as the onions cook, they all separate from the onions, but I don't like to use too much oil. We need to cook this through just to get rid of the raw smell of the turmeric. And here I've got my mixed vegetables. We've got potatoes, and we've got cabbage, we've got red pepper, and see what these are? These are not actually green beans. This is asparagus. Yeah. See, that's the head of the asparagus. Yeah. So this is asparagus, and I'm ready to chop that in. We just want to give it a good stir. We want to mix it all in. All mixed up, and I've actually had it covered up for a few minutes. I'm going to cover it again. We're just going to let that cook through. We'll check it in a few minutes. Just maybe stir it every sort of 5 to 7 minutes on a very low heat.